Hey all, I thought I would make a short video to show you some features on this WebEx phone system. You are welcome to look through that PowerPoint. That's what I did. I just thought I'd show you some things real quick in case this helped. So you can see this is my WebEx. You're going to have to not mind. I'm continually getting notices and messages, and so just ignore that for right now. First thing they want you to do after you open this up is right here. I'm in the lower left-hand corner. You click on the phone, and there's two things for you to know. Let me try to move this over a little bit. Um, right here. So when you are ready to receive calls for your office hours, you're going to say do not forward calls because you're going to be able to answer those calls when you are able. If you are on the phone, it will automatically roll over to voicemail and you will get an email with that reporting. So that helps. But when you are getting ready to close out your office hours, then you click on voicemail and it will take a couple minutes to switch that over. But that's the first thing you want to do. When you quote unquote open your office hours, you want to go to do not forward. But then when your office hours are over, you want to go to voicemail. So those are your preferences right there. The only other thing when I clicked on voicemail preferences, did you see that down here, or call preferences? It said right here, start calls with video on for incoming call. I unchecked that because, that's just the way it is right now. And there was nothing else you needed to do here. So that was the only thing I did in case you're interested in doing that as well. I don't think that was in the directions. Okay, now to make a call, I highly recommend you get your own phone, your husband's phone, any other phone, your kid's phone, and do a couple practice calls to make and receive so you can see what your caller ID is. So for instance, to make a call, number one, you do need to know first you have to do the hashtag just like you do when you're on campus. So I went to the blue phone right here. You do get the dial pad. So I'm going to call myself. So I'm doing pound 214-629-7142 and my computer, that's your only choice right here, and then you want to click call. And my phone, when it calls, says 469-713-5955, maybe Julie Chamus. I don't know why. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to answer, probably going to get a feedback. There you go. See, I'm talking to myself. Okay, I wanted to show you. You have to click on that red X when you're done. The first time that got minimized for me, for some reason, the call kept going. So make sure you click on that red X when you're done. Then when you call yourself, so you are using your extension, that's the number you're giving people to call you. So for instance, my work number is 972-350-5601. So I'm going to call it so that you can see what it looks like. Oh, it went to voicemail. Hold on, I got to take it off voicemail. Okay, let me try that again. So you can see down here, you can either decline or answer. So when I answer, it's going to bounce back again. But I'm able to talk. You don't get that screen. You're not in charge of hanging it up. There you go. I just hung up the phone. So that's what it looks like. So go for it. You are welcome to start calling from WebEx and hopefully get all of your parent contacts in for tomorrow. There are some other little things I have for you, but I'll just keep emailing out. I apologize for all the emails. I know it's not anybody's favorite, but hope this helps. Let me know if you have any feedback or any confusion. But like I said, do those practice calls receiving and sending so that you know what your caller ID looks like, so you know what to tell people. You can even do it with your teammates. So hope this helps. Love y'all. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.